Assalamu alaikum friends. Today I will discuss how to fix integrated webcam not working on Windows 10. Solution 1. Update the driver. Right click start button to select device manager. Click driver. Right click on the driver and select disable. Select yes. Right click on the driver and select enable. Right click on the driver and select update driver. Click search automatically for driver. Click close. Follow this step to reset the computer. Click start menu icon in the left bottom corner. Click on power button and select restart. Select troubleshoot. Select reset this PC. Select keep my files. Thanks for watching.